Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's your boy Sal here from freestockpicks.org. No longer living in the ghetto. On the up and up. Lots happened, but I wanted to do this really quick wrap up for today's trading day, September 22nd. We had a lot of great things happen today. I put out that watch list last night. It was a really, I thought it was a very strong watch list. Aaron was up 52%. We had CCTC up 22%. Aaron is another, it's a pump and dump, but we're gonna let that ride. Now we're doing, we're shorting now. So we're promoting, but now we're promoting the short. So we're gonna go out and do whatever we have to do to expose these companies, because now we're moving into shorting and not promoting, right? Because this is the right way to make money in the penny stock field, because this is where it seems like we can get away with doing some of the things we were doing when we were promoting. So MGNA, again, that's another very, very easy play, and it's been an easy play for the last 8 months on the short, on the sell side. So again, we're going to continue to make money on MGNA. That's going to eventually fall into the triple zeros. So let's continue to make money on that as that stock continues to decline in value. BGMD is a stock that is a former NASDAQ darling, got kicked out off the NASDAQ exchange. Now they're trading OTC. It was up today, but I feel that long term this stock is really overbought. So honestly, I think it's just overvalued. So I think there's a lot of opportunity there. If we continue to watch it, I think there's money that we can get out of that stock. AEZS, I don't know too much about AEZS. I got to do really honestly more research on it. But CCTC, clean coal, it's a clean coal bullshit stock. It's not legit. It's again another pump and dump. But it was up really strong today. Came out the gates really running strong. I didn't jump into it, and obviously there was no really position available for us to sell today. But it is something that might continue to grow, but it's something that I think in the future we will see it decline, and I want to be there when that setup shows itself. So again, really strong day today, September 22nd. Again, we're not trying to make a killing every day. If we can just go out and make just like I've always said in my videos, like $300 a day. If we can make $300 a day, folks, there are almost 251 business days in a year. Okay, so multiply that by 300. I think you come out to a little bit over 70,000, 80,000. I'm just off the top of my head here, folks, or maybe a little less than that. But that's a good livelihood in the United States of America, folks. It's about replacing your 9 to 5, and it's not about sitting down and hoping to become a millionaire. It's about sitting down and making those small gains that add up to becoming big gains, right? And then with that progress, you can become a millionaire. I would love to become as successful as a Tim Sykes is. When I'm 34, of course, what is that, 6 years from now, I would love to be a millionaire like him. But until we get to that point, we have to learn how to become a really good, for those of you out there, a really good person who makes $50,000 a year, right? So we're good at making $50,000. Then let's get good at making $75,000. Then let's get making good at $90,000 and $100,000. Let's earn the right to become millionaires, because that's what you have to do at this game. It's not something that takes a lot of learning, folks. It's just really common sense and understanding the strategies that you can use over and over and over again to make wealth for yourself. Learning who are the best promoters out there. Learn how to promote a stock yourself, because when you learn how to really dig through the details and sell a stock to someone else, you're going to be able to read the financials in a way that you can say, okay, this company, they're not legit, and I know where to position myself to make money off the stock. So it's your boy Sal, freestockpicks.org. Check out my other videos. I'm back. I'm going to be making more videos. I'm coming. I've got a different formula this time around. Just not going to let the haters really kind of get to me this time around. I just love doing this. This is like cocaine for me, man. This is a drug. Those of you who love pennies, you know what I'm talking about. Once you start doing this, you can't stop, especially when you're good at what you do. I've been very blessed to be good at what I've done, what I've been doing now for the last 2.5 years. You guys have seen here on YouTube. Look at some of my old videos into where I am now. I just look around and I'm just so blessed, really. You know, when I started, it was really about just being able to pay my phone bill. I was using my phone to record videos. Now I have a camera, I have a beautiful home, I live in a beautiful neighborhood that, you know, you guys know a couple months ago, just last year, I could never live in a neighborhood like this, and now I do. And I'm going to continue to make videos from this beautiful background in this awesome neighborhood where people, you know, they say hi to you, they smile when you walk down the street. The air just feels so much cleaner out in the suburbs, man. It's just, for those of you who live out in the suburbs, I didn't know you guys had it this good, man, because it's really a blessing to be out here and to, you know, have your own part of America. And I'm trying to say that everybody who's watching us right now, you can have that. You can have that, and you don't have to pay anybody for it. You just have to be disciplined, be willing to learn, and start, man. You can't just, you know, stop using all these, what do you call these, like games, these like stock market games. Go out there and put some real money on the line and learn how to lose money. And then once you learn how to lose, you're going to start learning how to make money, because you gotta lose. It's part of the game. You can't, you know, lose $100, $200. You're going to lose a lot more than that. Trust me, guys. You're going to get to points where you're going to lose $1,000, $2,000, $3,000. And guess what? You got to sit right back at that computer and try to make it all over again. You know, losing is part of winning. And that's what, you know, it is. That's what it is, folks. So I don't want to stay too long on here. I just wanted to let you guys know I'm back, really focused, really just kind of committed to sticking to what we're talking about here, keeping the negative energy away, and understanding what we have to do to move forward and become better traders. Freestockpicks.org. Look, guys, this is free. I'm not selling this. I'm not the best trainer. I'm not an awesome teacher. I'm just somebody who loves what I do. I figured out what I wanted to do, what I want to do, for the rest of my life, and I'm sharing that love with the rest of y'all. Visit my website, add me on Twitter. Talk to you guys later. Leave a comment. Bye-bye.